Oh, I think Todd's back. I've been working all day.
Sure you have.
It's been a long day.
Long day. The alarm you set last night, didn't it? The power went out.
We didn't get power back till after 1.
Really?
Hot, sweaty. I'm getting ready to put in my battery back up.
Battery bank.
Yeah, you go ahead and do all the batteries like you would have for the solar, but instead of charging it with solar, you charge it with off-peak power, like at night or whatever, and then you got backup, and then you slowly add solar panels. So, was Todd worried about losing his job after my performance yesterday?
We already broke the door handle off first thing.
Uh-oh. Gotta get out of the way.
I ordered a new one, $54.
Money well spent.
Well spent. Because I had to crawl through the window to get him out of
it. All right, so they're just continuing to work their way across the pond's bottom to increase the depth a little bit. Couple feet. That's the piles we dumped out yesterday, and I guess they did some this morning. I also didn't realize I'd gotten this late. I've been working on Thursday's video, which is today, editing that, and working on some stuff for my actual job. And yeah, so that's been my day. Pond dam's pretty much done. And I'm gonna come back out here with the drone, fly it around some, get a little bit of drone shots. That'll be good. Anybody need 100-year-old wood, hit me up, or else it's all getting tossed. Oh, good timing. My crew's shown up. Buenas noches.
How you doing, boss?
Good, good. How you doing?
Buenas noches. Come on, man.
How's this going? What's up? What's up, Armando? Yeah. Oh yeah, more stuff.
Yeah. I'm trying to get the 1x4, but we don't have it. So I'll give 1x8. I'm gonna rip it too.
Ripping too? Okay.
I had material to do this kind of tree. Same.
Oh, I got you.
5 quarters by 5.
Yeah, that would look better, wouldn't it? Look nice and finished. How's it going, Josh?
Want to check it out?
Sure.
I got 3 things to pull down and then one last sweep.
Oh, wow. Wow, this is light years better. See, James has a good idea every once in a while.
Yeah. Too bad I didn't think about it first time.
Well, then he wouldn't be able to do it 3 times. Wow, look at all this room we got up here. People wanting us to tear this old barn down. It'd be 50 grand to replace this, easy. All right. Yes, there you go. So built some simple shelves, got stuff off the ground. Puts the weight to the walls.
I started sweeping up
Yeah.
to the corners. I mean, obviously I swept the center.
Yeah.
I swept up under here of anything that I had to move today.
Okay.
So it's about a little bit over half. So much stuff. This was empty when I brought it. Yeah.
Starting to rain a little bit. Chris is left for the day. Start a little burn pile before he left. You know, it's been wet plus the rain coming. So he got cut over to here. And he needs to go to over there. So he's about halfway. Let's see how much gets done this weekend. Well, we asked for rain. What's up, ducks? Finally getting some. So let's see what it looks like down here. Well, Chris taking advantage to burn. We got a little bit of water in there. We can get a little closer, get a better shot. Seems to be a little wet.
Seems to be a little wet. Well, now we get to look out the thing.
There you go.
It's the last day of burning, huh?
Yeah, chicken biscuit and
Mountain Dew.
huh?
Thank you.
Got to keep the talent happy.
I know. Don't get your Crocs wet, buddy.
That's the nice thing about it. They just rinse right off.
Rinse right off.
I should have worn my boots that I'm supposed to be doing a
Oh, your
review video on.
And then you can work on getting the top for that thing so it won't keep getting wet.
Yeah, that's what I need. I was really expecting there to be more water.
I have been ditching it just so it drains out.
Oh, okay. Did you get that on video?
I did.
Nice.
It was a straight up river flowing through there. We had a waterfall flowing over right there.
Oh. Wonder how we're gonna get the pond full. It's a mystery.
It just has to rain.
Alright. Just a little bit wet today. That's about where the island's going. Chris has put one of the stumps out for the fish habitat. I didn't get the video this morning, but Chris said he did, so y'all will see how much water was running in here before he drained it out.
No more work today, and possibly no work tomorrow, depending on how much it dries out. Fernando and them got the garage done before the rain hit. Well, as the rain was hitting. So we're at the bottom of those boards, that's where the concrete will come up to. So you see we got a lot of gravel to put in, especially towards the back. When Chris brings in the gravel for the habitats and all, we'll put gravel in here, get rock and all where it needs to be, get this graded how it needs to be so water doesn't run in the garage and runs around it. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. A couple little things to finish up, and of course gotta get the roof done. What's up, ducks? What you got? What? Well, they love the mud. I think they love the mud more than pigs love mud and water. For those of you that haven't seen the house before, that didn't come along in the beginning when we were doing the remodel on that. So all this, we're bringing topsoil in from the back to put around here and grade off, because it turns into a moat up here. We're gonna grade all that and put in some put some gutters on the house and stuff, but all that'll get graded. This turned out pretty good. I said just gotta do the grading. As you see, this turns into just a mess up here and all through here. So we'll dump topsoil all through here, have that all graded out, and then we can finally plant some grass and get it looking nice up here. It's been a disaster. Let's go see if the ponds come up any. Huh.
You know, it's rained a lot when your ponds come up like 2 feet and no water has flown into it from
The other side?
the other side.
See, it just has to rain.
It just has to rain.
Might run the fountain some.